I'm going to do a design that I haven't completed yet in a vase. And so we're just kind of looking over to see which is the top and which is the bottom. Okay, I just took it down a little bit, and I've got a really severe flat side here. And then right on the opposite side, it's getting round. So I want to move my centers down Here was my flat spot that I wanted to get rid of. I moved my centers too far. I should have only moved them maybe, instead of a 1/4 inch, probably just a 1/8 of an inch. Makes a big difference. So I'm interested in keeping this thing as big around as I can. And so I think I'm going to move the centers again just to see if I can't even this up. Now, because I wasn't sure how much to move it, when I went back to cutting this thing, I cut one end or both ends of it down, because of course the body of it is going to be in here. So I haven't hurt the size of this vessel yet. So we'll move it again and see what I can come up with this time. So that the positioning on this bark inclusion is good for me, and so hopefully we can keep a larger diameter piece here, like 7 inches or so is what I really like to have out of it. And I am going to start shaping my vase. First of all, I have to determine the top from the bottom, what I want in it, what I don't want in it. I have this huge knot here, which shouldn't bother anything. I can't find out any place where it might go in the piece. Maybe it just goes inside and stops. Don't see anything bad on that end, so we'll trim up this end and see what we have. Okay, 2 ends that are pretty nice, and I was right, this bark inclusion right here so far is yeah, that's all the further it goes in. Good, don't have to worry about that. On the bottom, make this the bottom, put my tenon here, and start shaping the vase. Use my medium-sized jaws on the chuck because I'll be using a steady rest on this. My objective on this one is this bottom part of the vase is to make it round. It's coming along. I will put a shorter tool rest in here so I can get in. Anyway, we'll carry on. Now we have a cascade effect here, meaning the top is coming up and over, and this will be, if it turns out, named King 2 as far as base goes. So, we've got a lot of work to do in here, got a lot of work to do here. As you can see, I have a jewel here on this, and hopefully I can keep that. I can see I hit it with my tool right here, but I think I can get rid of that. And this knot is going to add a little bit of personality to this vase, I think. So I'm going to go on from here.